Hey guys, this is Drew Gallagher, and today I'm going to show you how to make money shopping with Instacart, so stay tuned. Alright, so I'm going to Google Instacart just to show you what it is. So I Googled Instacart, and it comes up right here. I'm going to click on the link. So Instacart is a grocery delivery service. Essentially, people sign up to shop for you, and then you put in your list online, and then they deliver it for you. And I've actually used the service. It's pretty cool. You can order your groceries a day in advance, and then it will come in, and the person just greets you at the door. You grab your bags, you bring them upstairs, and you start chowing down. It's pretty cool. What if you want to make money shopping for other people? How much would you make? Doing a quick Google search, it says the average pay for Instacart shoppers looks from about $10 to about $17. So you make about $10, $11 on average. You can probably make up to an amount of like $20 an hour, which is pretty good for a part-time job. And all you have to do is look at a list, pick out some items, and then deliver it to people in your neighborhood. So how do you become a shopper? Well, first you click on this button that says Become a Shopper next to Want to Earn Extra Money. It's on the home page of Instacart. So you click the link and you get to this sign-up form. So you can fill out your information and you can have a referral code if somebody referred you. That way they get a commission for referring you. You can earn extra money shopping, work when you want. And there's two different versions of this job. You can either be a full-service shopper, you're an independent contractor, you need a car, you can choose the hours that work for you and you shop and deliver orders. Whereas an in-store shopper, you're just a part-time employee, you don't need a vehicle, you can have a more flexible schedule, and all you do is do the shopping. You don't have to actually deliver it. Depending on the amount of time that you have and you want to dedicate to being an Instacart shopper, you can choose which of these jobs is better for you. You can learn more by watching the video and checking out the app. There's a ton of different resources and there are a ton of different people doing this. You can check out the stores that are supported through Instacart and see if it is in your area. But if you're looking to make some extra money on the side and you want to be able to help others get their groceries in a time of need, then this is a great job for you. I hope you apply to Instacart. I hope you found this video helpful, and I hope you really start leveraging online services to make money like Instacart. If you want to learn how to make 6 to 7 figures online, then click the link in my description. Be drewbusinessaccelerator.com/entre. Thank you so much for watching. Peace out.
Hey, thank you so much for watching my video. I really appreciate it. If you liked the content in this video and want to see more videos like this, please click the subscribe button. Make sure to click the little bell icon and turn on all notifications so when I come out with new content, you'll be notified.